In front of me is OPPO A96, and let me show you how to add or remove Google account on this phone. So firstly, open the settings, then find and select users and accounts, and as you can see here we've got the current Google account. To remove it, mark and tap on your icon. Click on remove account, and if you truly would like to delete it, just tap on remove account. And that's it. As you can see, it's no longer connected. Whenever you would like to add another account, also open users and accounts, click on add account, pick Google, and provide email address or phone number, whatever is connected with your account, and then tap on next. Now it's time to provide the password, so let me do it off the screen. And as only the password is entered, tap on next. So here you've got it. Then decide actually mark if it's your device of your kiddos and click on next. Here you've got Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, and also privacy policy. And if you do agree with all the terms and conditions, click on I agree. Click on accept then. And that's it. As you can see, it has been added. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.